What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Golden Lion Gamer. Today we're gonna be playing a fake MM2 today because I'm kind of tired playing the real MM2 because I never get any good lucks. We're there already. Oh my god. We're gonna be trying to get the gun today, right? Let's go guys, we're gonna be getting the gun right now, bro. Give me that gun, bro. Nah, bro. Let me lower the volume there. Is it good, guys? Nah, he's moored, obviously. Oh, bro, not moored. Bro ain't the murder, bro. Bro ain't the murderer. Someone died. Now who's the murderer, guys? Bruh! Bro, this dummy, bro! Bro, this dummy just shot me for no reason. As you can see, guys, I have a mini avatar. I got changed that real quick. Dagu ina boy. Skip the toilet 10622. Hey yo, what the Sigma? There's someone. Oh, bro, hiding in the secret room, I guess. Oh, now how he do that, bro? Bro, a good sir. Bro, it's glitcher. Bro, it's literally glitching. Hi, bestie. Hey, nah. Hey, yo. Guys, let me show you what I got. Look at this. So, I open shop. There's an Evo River, right? You see this river pack here? This river one? Let me set camera first. The Evo one. And look, I will show you guys that I have the Evo right now. I bought it. Look. Look, I literally have it. Shoo! I have it, guys. I literally have it. No one else has it. Only me. Because look. It's on the shop. It's literally in the shop, guys. No one else can get it. Only me. Look. Look. See that? It's the river. It's the river knife. I don't know how to pronounce it well. But it's on the shop. It costs 169 Robux. Only me can get it. Hey. I actually got it as well, bro. I wish I had old school jump. Hey, nah. I have OP avatar, guys. Hey, yo, what the? Is that the plasma blade? Nah, bro's lagging right now. Bro is tripping. Because he's a toilet. The toilet is tripping. Well, we're getting and innocent. Obviously, we're getting innocent. Let me do a bomb jump. Bruh, are you serious? I got disconnected. What's wrong with my internet, bro? Bruh, I got reconnect, guys. My internet. What is wrong with my internet, guys? Bro, I got reconnect, bro. You would do. No, I'm just gonna spin this. Hey. Get rid of that. Oh, not killed. So I'm the first one to die. And but I got killed in the lobby. Where am I dying in the lobby? Bro, why am I dying in the lobby, guys? Is there a hacker or something? Oh, no, the murderer's in the lobby. Oh, dang. Bro, why is the murderer in the lobby? No, guys. The murderer was literally in the lobby. That's why I keep dying. Oh my god, what the? Oh my god. MM2 Roblox doing you dead boy. Hey, na bro. Oh, look at Guys, I see Spider-Man. Is this black Spider-Man? Look, he's black. He's a black. This is Miles Morales. Wait, it's not. It's just Venom Spider-Man. Bro, why do I always gotta be innocent right now? Come on, man. Eno again? Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. I'm so lucky, guys. Bro, no way I just escaped that. Oh, hell no. Oh no, bro. Oh no. Bro, are you serious? Bro, the murders. Bruh. Bro, pass up, bro. Bro, literally just pass up, bro. Now I'm gonna do a bomb jump, guys. As WS10. Let me show you. It's time to do a bomb jump. Bruh. That's a disturbing. And then, bruh, I don't know what to do. If you I use this. Alright, so let's see. Apparently, I don't know how to do the bomb jump, guys. I don't know how to do a bomb jump, really. Oh, I'm gonna throw these people, guys, with this code. Try this code, guys. 1474303, and I forgot what the 800. Look, fake gun. It's a fake gun, guys. See? They're gonna fall for it. They're literally gonna fall for it. I'm also innocent as well. Let me just place this gun over here. Let's see who falls for it. Let's see who's gonna fall for it. It disappeared in my face. But it just disappeared. Oh no, bro! Silverman is the murderer. There. Let's see who falls for it. How do you know my name? What? There is literally a fake gun over there. How did you do that? How did he do that? He's hacking. Bro's definitely hacking. Bro gotta be hacking. What is the charcoal here? Oh my god, bro wants to match right now. Yeah. Tell me yours now. Tell. So what's yours? Char, spider. What is that? Now what the? Hey yo. Oh, let's go, guys. I'm the sheriff. Shoo, I'm the sheriff, guys. This is lucky day. Oh my god, can you stop? This is a lucky day, guys. I'm the sheriff. I'm the sheriff. This is a lucky day. Hope this mini avatar is not the murder. I don't want it to be murder. Ah, don't kill me, bro. Okay, you're not the murderer. Bro, it's not the murderer. Let's see who's the murderer. Who's the murderer? I literally have the gun. Play show up, murderer. Oh, it's the guy with the candy knife. The murderer is a guy with a candy knife. Oh my god, the murderer is with a candy knife. Guys, the murderer has a candy knife, like clearly. Like, clearly, guys. Oh, let's go! bro. That is the best aim in the world. That's why fake MM2 is better. UNSQ. I'm in lobbies. I'm so lagi. No. Oh my god, bro. I'm such a goat, guys. I'm on time. I'm on time. Guys, I have the best aim in the server. I have the best aim. POV if I'm the murderer right now. I'm like POV what I get. Whew. I'm glad I'm innocent. HYTA. So there you see. Char H Y Y T H Y Y 88. Oh, now what I the avatar, bruh? Nah, that ain't good now. My avatar is better. Oh no, he the mode, bro. Bow mode. Now if you're murdered, tell me if you're murdered. Tell me if you're murdered. Oh my god, he's not. He's the murdered. He's the murdered. Oh no! Oh god, I'm tripping. Oh no. He the murderer? Boy is the murderer. He moved, bro. Oh no. Word not showing up. Use that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy. The easiest win of my life. No way. What char is that, bro? Bruh. Bruh. I'm gonna equip a random weapon, guys. What should I equip? I want to equip the... I'm gonna equip the... No, I'm not equipping nothing yet. Bro, why do I... Guys, why do I gotta be sheriff right now? This is the worst time to be the sheriff. This map stink. Guys, I hate this map. If I'm the sheriff, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my god. Are you serious? That's why I hate this map. That's why I hate this map, bro. I'm so mad. You know what? That's it, bro. I'm wearing my mini avatar, bro. I don't care, bro. Me no care, bro. Me no care, boy. Me no care, boy. Me no care, boy. Grrr. Me no care, boy. Me no care, boy. I'm mad, boy. Nah, that's it, boy. That's it. I have nothing to say. What gun should I equip? No, I'm using a gold yeah, I'm using this bad boy. I'm using this bad boy. Gold ginger scope. Oh nah, bro. You actually cannot get the gold ginger scope without using the code. The code is trophies, guys. Yeah, the code is trophies. The code is trophy. Oh, no, give me the map, bro. Team map better than you, bro. Team map better, bro. See my godly, guys? Oh, that is ancient. That thing is awesome on my hip. Look at me, guys. I'm so tiny. I'm just a fly. I'm just a fly. Bro, I hate this game. Why do I always gotta be sheriff? Because if I'm the sheriff, I always die. That's why I hate this game. You ain't more, boy. I know you not more. Boy, I have the best aim in the server. But I hate being the sheriff. Actually, yeah, I love being the sheriff. Oh, nah. I told you I have the best aim in the server. Forgot to that. Oh, yeah, I have the best aim in this server. You know I have the best aim in the server, guys. I have the coolest, best aim ever. I'm so bad at Morad. It's okay. Better luck next time, noob. Nah, I ain't joining you. My aim just OP. My aim just OP. My aim is too awesome, guys. My aim is unstoppable. Try your best. Oh, I'm happy I'm innocent. Yes. Try your best. Try your hardest. Oh no, bro. I'm going inside the trash can. Bro. Get me in there. No, I throw myself. Oh, sorry, no. I no throw myself. Oh, no. Oh, no. What if he's the murderer, though? He is the murderer. Bruh. This person dead, but he does not have the gun. He no have the gun. Guys, the sheriff is somewhere here. The sheriff is outside, guys. Let me bigger the volume so we can hear the sheriff. Where the sheriff at, guys? I want to know where's the sheriff. I need that gun. My aim is OP. Guys, my aim too good. Bro, who this person keep joining me? Where are you? This person just keeps on joining me. I don't know who they are. I think they're down there. Oh yeah, it is down here. I see the gun right now. I see the gun, boy. But I'm too sneaky. I love when I have the mini avatar. I just sneak up on him, bro. I just sneak up on him. I'm too good. I'm too good. I'm too good. I'm too good. Gonna cry. I'm too good. I'm gonna cry. Guys, no way I have the aim. I'm too good. I'm gonna cry. My aim is too good. What I got? But why do I always gotta be sheriff? In this map, really? I hate this game so much. I hate this game so much, guys. Guys, this is my new hated game. Because I keep getting sheriff, and sheriff every time. Yeah. Have you been training? Yes. I've been training for a lot of times. I've trained for 5 years for being a professional ammo loader. I've trained 5 years for this. Why do I gotta be the sheriff right now? I'm so sad. I gotta be the sheriff right now. Mord, show up. I hate this aim. I'm so sad. I feel bad for everybody that has worse aim. Can Mord show up ready? Where's the Mord? Who Mord? There's only 8 players though, so I don't think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh nah. That's the murderer, guys. I see him. I know he's over there now. I don't think I can even miss, guys. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! I just got missed. I just can't miss a single aim. I just can't miss a single aim. Whoa, 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 whoa. I Oh my! I feel bad for everyone, bro. I just can't miss a single aim. I'm too good, guys. I just can't miss a single aim. Lucky. I'm so lucky. Bro, are you serious? Why do I got me the murder? I'm so sad. I hate this game. I feel bad for everyone. My aim too good and too good for winning. I'm just gonna hide here, guys. It's being tagged. Oh no! Use code DART and Shark. Use code DART and Shark. Those are one of the most valuable codes. Oh no, I see. But if I can't. Bro, my aim. No one's hiding here now. Because no one hides in these games. No more. I know no one's hiding here. I know a long time ago that no one is hiding there. I already know 5 years ago that no one will ever hide there. Because this game, you just wanna die. That's their purpose for playing this game. That's the only purpose of playing this game. To die. You just play this game to die. Because this game, the purpose is to survive, I guess. Oh, nah. Yeah. Come here. Oh my god, how? How? How did he do that, guys? I'm eating ice cream, guys. Oh my god, and I did it how? That's so high. This ice cream mango? I'm eating cheese ice cream. Guys, I just can't miss a single egg. Mm. Mm. Guys, I think I'm just gonna hide. I'm just gonna hide, guys. I'm just eating ice cream. I'm gonna subscribe to my channel real quick. I'm just gonna hide here, guys, because I'm gonna get killed. I have no aim right now. I'm eating ice cream. Guys, my aim is too good. I cannot miss a single one. Let's go over here. I don't know where's the bird, guys, but he's not killing no one. Bruh. Where's the murder, guys? I don't know who murdered. Oh no, my ice cream is melting. Mmm. 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 Nom 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 nom. Guys, I just cannot see where's the murd at. Murd is this guy here. Where is gone? Oh yeah. He murd. Murd him. Murd him. He's murd. I promise. Him. Good. He fell for it. Oh my god. The ice cream just melted. Guys, I just shot him. I shot random person. Oh nah. Dang. You know. Hide time, guys. I will now hide. Alright, I'm done eating, so I can now proceed. Oh no. Bro getting juke. So up, boy? What's up? Oh, no! POV, bro, is the actual part. Oh, nah, ice cream on. Nah, ice cream on the table. Nah, that look good. How do you know? Bet there's summer here. Oh, no, that's not a bet. I will find you wherever you are. Oh, wait, someone actually dead here, guys. They're dead. Guess they're dead. God, that's pretty good. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I take the gun. Just strictly at it. If the murderer is here somewhere. That would be if I don't know where more that. Now speed glitz. But where's the murderer at, guys? Guys. Bo, are you murdered? Are you murdered? Are you murdered? Oh nah. Oh nah. Bro, I knew it. He was murdered. But I knew he was murdered. No, he got the gun. Bro, what's the drip? No. Air mask. Air mask. What is paying? Nah, dude. I have the river knife. River knife. No, where bro at right now? Bro is, I don't know. I don't know where bro at. Where's bro at? Where's bro? Time's up. Time's up, I guess. I guess it's time's up. How's it actually time's up? Guys. It's no more time. There no more time, guys. It's time's up. Nah, it time's up, guys. But it time's up. Bro. How to glitch? How to speed glitch? Nah. Wait, he voted. She voting what? Oh, nah. I don't know where to put him real quick. This is so annoying. Why do I always be the sheriff? I know I can't miss a singular aim. I just can't miss a single aim now. But I just can't miss a single aim. Who the murdered, guys? I want to know. I want to know immediately. Oh, bro is the murderer. Bro's not. Oh, not murdered. But bro is. Let me target this perfectly. Oh my god, I just get. Oh no, I can target it perfectly. But I just get target. I just get aim right now. Where'd my aim go? I just get aim. Guys, I just get aim right now. Guys, I know I can aim. I can't aim today. I don't know why. I know bro gonna come in here. I know bro's gonna come in anytime. Anytime, anywhere, any day. I didn't care where the murder at right now. But bro's outside. I bet bro's outside. Yep, bro's outside. But why did I miss that? Holy moly. No way. Oh, bro's actually gonna get me. Bro's actually gonna get me. What if bro actually gets me? That's gonna be a shame. What a shame. Oh nah. Nah bruh. Oh nah bruh. I don't know where they at. I don't know where's more of that, guys. Oh nah. Just over there. So am I the last one? Or am I? Am I the last one? I don't know if I'm the last one, guys. I just don't know if I'm really the last one. What if I'm not the last one? The murderer is still here. What if the murderer is still hunting for someone else? Is the murderer here? The murderer is not here, guys. No. No, bruh. Mr. Swift. Mr. Swift. Oh, I have the best aim. I miss a lot of aim though. I have the best aim. I could be the best one day. No one will know. No one will know. It's you. It's you. Wait, bro, actually gonna bomb jump. I don't know how to bomb jump, guys. Can anyone teach me how to bomb jump? No, dude. No, bro, definitely the murderer. Bro is obviously the murderer. That's too obvious. POV if he's the murderer right now. What if he's the murderer? Nah, bro has a fake gun. That's a fake gun, bro. Talia is the murd. Talia Ananto is the murd. Talia Ananto murd. Oh, no, bro, don't try to shoot me. What, the murd? POV. If the sheriff shoots him right now, it's gonna be embarrassing. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Char. No. Let's try this, guys. Let's try this. Does it work? Bruh. No, that ain't, guys. That ain't it. I got reset, guys. Got reset real quick. Hey, shoo. That is awesome, guys. Wait, why are you voting for this map? Vote for this map. Bro does not know how to vote. You got. I did not know how to bomb jump. But you know. How do I bomb jump, guys? Innocent, innocent, my favorite troll. Guys, innocent is actually the best one. It's so rare. That's why everyone gets emo. Because it's a legendary role. It's the easiest one to get. It's a 1% chance to get. If you don't get it, you don't have luck. Wait, is that the sheriff? No, it's not. Oh! Ooh, shot. Shot by sheriff. Hey, nah. Nah, bruh. Bruh. Bro got the bones knife. Guys, check this out. 360 spin and bomb jump. How dare you cover me? How you get ginger sight? How you get ginger sight? Wait, let's see. They have Robux? No, you don't. What is the code of that? Yes. How to get it? Bro, I did not realize I'm the sheriff. Use what? Do what? What I do? What do I do? Oh no. But I just don't know. I just don't know what's going on. Hell no, bruh. Oh no, dude. Oh no, bruh. I can't aim right now. Oh no. Oh no, I can't aim, guys. Oh no. Oh, dang, 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 dang. I can't aim. Oh, where are you going? Stop spinning around. I cannot aim. Bro, can you stop spinning around? I cannot aim. Bro, stop spinning around. I cannot aim because of you. Oh, nah. Bro, scared. Bro, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared, guys. Why am I missing it? Why am I missing my aim? Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Jump. Oh, now. Tell me how to get ginger sight. Yeah, I have the best aim, guys. Tell me how to get ginger sight. How? Yay! Yay, you're gonna tell me. What? No, dude. Use code tags. Okay. Bro is so confused. Alright, tell me now. Tell me now, boy. Please. Tell me now, please. There's a good one there. Wonderful. I'm gonna throw them, guys. Let's see who falls for this. There's a fake gun. There's a fake gun over here. I mean, the real gun is over here. The real gun is over here. What's going on outside? Here's the 5 tags. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's not working. Oh no. There's all now. There's a fake gun. Tell me how to get it. How to get it. Ready key, how to get it. Hope they're coming in the sewers. Please tell me. No. Yeah. Ginger site. Ginger site. How to get it? What's the code? Oh man, I'm sad. Now Bug is sad. Like this. Okay. So oh, I know. So G. Oh. So so it's B. Ger. Site. Next. Next what? This. This. Oh. So I guess I can equip it now. Come on, I want it. I want it, please, 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 please. No, where is it? Where is it? Bruh. I gotta search it up, guys. I gotta search it up. Ginger. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright guys, this is gonna be the last round and the video ends. Yeah, thank you very much. Now I have it. The ginger side. I'm so happy I got it. I mean youngest. I'm super happy that I got it. My na 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 na. Oh nah. Oh nah boy. Now how did I not hit ball? Oh no. Guys, if I die here, the video is ending. If I die guys, the video ends. Oh no, go juking me now. And let's see, you wanna go? I delivered a million. How did bro just deep in here? Bro just teleported here. Oh, hi. What's up, boy? I'm looking for you. Yay! Last person. Not be last. Where they at? Come on, where's my X-ray not working, guys? Where are they? Stop the cap. Are they here? Where's the last? No, they're not here, guys. Where are they? Where could they be? Where could they be at, guys? I don't know. I just don't know where they at. I think they're here. I mean I can check here. Where could they be? They're not nowhere. They're nowhere to be found. I cannot find them. Wait a minute. I think he glitched out the map. Bro, someone's hacking. Someone got be hacking. Someone is hacking in this server, guys. Oh man. Bro, where are they? They're nowhere to be found. Bro, where are they? Oh my god. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Bye. See you in the next video.